Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is episode 12 of Casual English Talks. Here, two real friends from the USA talk in very simple, natural English, so you can learn easily and feel confident.
Hi friends, my name is Tara. I'm so happy you are here today.
And I'm Asher. Nice to see you all again. Today's topic is something we all do every single day, talking about our daily routines. You will hear easy words, short sentences, and many useful expressions you can use in your own life.
This episode is perfect for beginners. We speak slowly and clearly so you can follow every word. You can even pause the video and repeat after us.
If this is your first time watching, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. That way you will never miss a new episode.
And if you enjoy our conversations, please share this video with one friend who is also learning English. It really helps us grow.
Okay, Tara, are you ready? Let's talk like normal friends having coffee together. No scripts, just real chat. Hey Tara, how's your morning going so far?
Pretty good, Asher. I already finished my first cup of coffee. How about you? Did you sleep well last night?
Yeah, I slept okay, but I woke up a little late today. My alarm rang, but I pressed snooze twice. You know how it is sometimes.
Oh, I know that feeling very well. My alarm is really loud, but I still hit snooze 2 or 3 times. Then I feel guilty later.
For all our new friends watching, let's introduce ourselves again slowly. I'm Asher. I live in the USA, in a quiet neighborhood. I work from home as a writer. I love my job because I can stay in my pajamas longer.
Smiles. That sounds nice. And I'm Tara. I also live in the USA. I'm an English teacher at a small elementary school. I work with children every day, so my mornings are usually very busy. Nice to meet all of you.
Nice to meet you too. Okay, Tara. I was thinking about daily routines this morning while I was drinking my coffee. They are really important, right? A good routine helps us feel organized and happy.
Totally agree. I was thinking the same thing when I woke up today. So tell me about your typical day, Asher. Start from the very beginning. Don't rush. We have time.
Sure, I'd love to. Well, I usually wake up around 7 o'clock. The first thing I do is open the curtains and let the sunlight come in. It really helps me feel awake and positive. Then I walk to the kitchen and make my coffee. I drink it black, no sugar, no milk.
Black coffee? Wow, you are strong. I cannot drink it like that. I need warm milk and 1 spoon of sugar, or I feel too sleepy all morning.
Yeah, my wife always says the same thing. She calls my coffee bitter like my soul. Both laugh. After my coffee, I eat breakfast, usually 2 eggs and some toast with butter. Sometimes I add a banana or apple if I remember to buy fruit. Breakfast takes me about 20 minutes. Then I brush my teeth, wash my face, and get dressed for work. Nothing fancy, just jeans and a comfortable shirt.
That sounds calm and nice. What time do you actually start working?
Around 8:30 or 9. I sit down at my desk, open my laptop, and start writing. But before I begin, I check my emails. Usually there are only 5 or 10, not too many.
Do you take breaks during the day? I think breaks are very important.
Yes, definitely. Every 2 hours, I stand up, walk around the house for 5 minutes, and stretch my arms and legs. It helps my back feel better. Then at noon, I stop for lunch. I make a simple sandwich with cheese and tomato, or sometimes a salad. Nothing too fancy. I eat while listening to soft music.
Lunch is my favorite part of the day too. Okay, now it's my turn to tell you about my routine. Mine is a bit different because I have to go to school. I wake up earlier than you, at 6:30.
6:30? That is quite early. Why do you wake up so soon?
Because I need time to prepare my lessons and drive to school. The traffic in the morning can be really bad sometimes. First thing after I wake up, I drink a big glass of water. Then I do a quick stretch, just 5 minutes of arm circles, neck rolls, and touching my toes. It makes my body feel awake and loose.
I should try that. Every morning my shoulders feel stiff because I sit at the computer a lot.
You should. It really helps. After stretching, I take a nice hot shower. The hot water wakes me up fast. Then I go to the kitchen and make breakfast for me and my husband. We usually eat oatmeal with sliced banana and a little honey. It's simple, quick, and healthy.
Oatmeal sounds very healthy. Do you eat the same breakfast every single day?
Almost every day during the week, but on weekends I like to change it. Sometimes I make pancakes with maple syrup. Those are my favorite. Okay, after breakfast I get dressed in my teacher clothes, pack my school bag with books and papers, and leave the house at 7:45. The drive to school takes about 30 minutes.
What do you do as soon as you arrive at school?
I say hello to the other teachers in the staff room, drink my second cup of coffee, and get ready for class. Classes start at 8:30. I teach English to young children. We sing songs, play fun games, read simple stories, and practice speaking together. The kids have so much energy.
Kids really do have endless energy. Do you ever feel tired in the afternoon?
Yes, sometimes I do. Around 2 o'clock, my eyes start to feel heavy. When that happens, I eat a fresh apple or go outside for a short walk in the fresh air. That little break really helps me feel better. School finishes at 3 o'clock. Then I drive back home.
What do you do when you get home after school?
First, I change into comfortable clothes, usually sweatpants and a big t-shirt. It feels so good after wearing teacher clothes all day. Then I start cooking dinner. I usually make chicken with rice and vegetables, or sometimes pasta with tomato sauce. My husband helps me sometimes. We sit down and eat together around 6 o'clock.
Dinner with family sounds really warm and nice. I eat alone most days because my wife finishes work late. Sometimes I feel a little lonely.
Oh, I understand. But you can always call her or listen to a podcast while you eat. After dinner, I wash the dishes quickly. Then I relax on the couch. I might watch a short funny video or read a few pages of a book. I have one important rule: no phones after 8 o'clock.
That is a very smart rule. I should copy that. My phone keeps me awake too late scrolling through videos.
Exactly. If I use my phone late, I cannot sleep well. I usually go to bed at 10 o'clock. I brush my teeth, put on my soft pajamas, read 1 or 2 pages of a calm book, and then turn off the lights.
10 o'clock is early for me. I usually stay up until 11 or even later. I watch YouTube videos or chat with friends online. But the next morning, I always feel tired.
Same thing happened to me last week. I stayed up late watching a comedy show. The next morning, I was walking around school like a zombie. My students looked at me and laughed.
Oh no, what did the children say?
One little boy said, "Teacher Tara, you look so sleepy today. Did you forget to sleep?" I told them the truth. I watched too much TV. We all laughed together. It was a funny moment.
Kids are so honest and cute. Okay, let me tell you a funny story for my own routine. Last month, I decided I wanted to become a morning runner. I set my alarm for 6 o'clock, put on my running shoes, and went to the living room. But I sat on the couch for just 1 minute, and I fell back asleep.
No way. What happened next?
I woke up at 7:30, still wearing my running shoes. My wife saw me and took a funny picture. Now that picture is my phone wallpaper. Every time I open my phone, I remember my failed morning run.
That is hilarious. So did you give up on exercise?
No, I didn't give up. Now I exercise in the evening instead. After dinner, I go for a 30-minute walk around the neighborhood. It's much easier for me. No more early morning runs.
Good choice. I also exercise, but not every day. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, I do yoga at home for 20 minutes. I follow a simple video on YouTube. It makes my body feel relaxed and loose.
Yoga? I tried it once with my wife. I tried to stand on one leg and I fell over right away.
Don't worry. Everyone falls the first few times. It gets better with practice. You should try again.
Maybe I will. You know what I really love about having a daily routine? It gives me steady energy all day. But I also like to change small things sometimes so it doesn't feel boring. For example, 2 weeks ago, I started drinking more water. I try to drink 8 glasses every day. I already feel more awake and my skin looks better.
That's great. I do the same. I keep a big water bottle on my desk at school. The children always remind me. They say, "Teacher, drink water. It's good for you." They are like little bosses.
Kids really are the best coaches. Tara, do you ever feel bored with your daily routine? Does it ever feel too the same?
Sometimes, especially on weekends. Saturday is my lazy day. I wake up at 9 o'clock with no alarm. I stay in my pajamas until lunchtime. I watch movies, read magazines, or just rest. Then in the afternoon, I go shopping for groceries or meet my friends for coffee.
That sounds very relaxing. My weekends are a little different. On Saturday morning, I clean the whole house. It takes about 2 hours, vacuuming, dusting, washing the floors. But when I finish, I feel so proud and the house looks fresh.
Cleaning can actually be good exercise too. What do you do on Sunday?
On Sunday, I like to cook a big, special breakfast for my wife and me. Pancakes, scrambled eggs, bacon, fresh fruit, everything on the table. It feels like a celebration. After breakfast, if the weather is nice, we go for a slow walk in the park. We hold hands and talk about our week.
I love park walks. The fresh air, the birds singing, no hurry at all. That is my favorite part of the whole week. It makes me feel peaceful.
Yeah, routines don't have to be boring. If you add little happy things like good food, short walks, music, or time with family and friends, every day feels better.
Exactly. And talking with you today made me think about my own routine again. I feel lucky to have a simple, steady life. It keeps me healthy, it keeps me on time, and it gives me time to enjoy small moments.
Me too. A good routine is like a gentle friend that helps us through the day.
So, dear friends watching, your daily routine does not need to be perfect. You don't have to wake up at 5 in the morning or exercise for 2 hours. Just try to do a few good things every day. Wake up at almost the same time, eat simple, healthy food, move your body even a little, drink water, and try to sleep early. Small changes can make a really big difference in how you feel.
Yes, start with just one small thing today. Maybe drink one extra glass of water, or go for a 10-minute walk after dinner. Whatever you choose, be kind to yourself.
Tell us in the comments below, what is one part of your daily routine that you like the most? Or what is one thing you want to change? We read every single comment and we love replying. Your stories make us happy. Yes, start with just one small thing today. Maybe drink one extra glass of water, or go for a 10-minute walk after dinner. Whatever you choose, be kind to yourself. Tell us in the comments below, what is one part of your daily routine that you like the most? Or what is one thing you want to change? We read every single comment and we love replying. Your stories make us happy.
Okay, everyone, that was our long, friendly chat about daily routines. I hope you learned many useful sentences and felt like you were sitting here with us drinking coffee.
We really hope this video helped you practice listening and speaking. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends or classmates who are learning English.
In episode 13, we will talk English about shopping for clothes. You should now know how to buy clothes in simple and real English. You are going to love that one.
Thank you so much for watching until the end. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep practicing English every single day, and we will see you in the next video.
Bye, everyone. Take care and have a wonderful day.
Bye.